Can you afford to lose your data? I am at Current 2026 in London. I sat down with the Chief Operating Officer of Kannika, Wout Florin, and I spoke to him how they are protecting the data. The team who protects the Kafka without custom glucose. Is your business really afford to lose your data? Your business is your Kafka. I'm going to understand with the Kannika's team how they are protecting the data and how they are different. Here is the interview for you.
Basically, we have built a real-time backup and restore solution for Kafka. That makes a lot of companies are working towards AI and making sure they create extra value for all of the streams and the data that's on the Kafka streams and available on the topics. Well, we are the company who's protecting those streams against data loss. A lot of companies do the extra value, make sure we're kind of the insurance that makes sure that you don't have any data loss.
So what I understand is data is critical for financial sector and we operate in a regulatory environment. Right? So you give that assurance to the financial institutions and those who work across the financial industry. I think this product will give you a peace of mind and a sleep. While talking about the company itself, Kannika is your brand.
Yes.
What is your parent company? How it operates?
It's a private company, so we're part of a big group which provides professional services with everything that has to do with event-driven architecture, which Kafka is a very important technology used upon. And of course, then we built the brand Kannika to protect the Kafka data. No, we're actually part of a big consulting group which is funding us or helping us build this own, but we're basically with the three of us, the founders, also a big part owner of this company, but indeed financially backed by a big group called the Kronos Group in Belgium.
Your area is very niche and the security you provide is one of the critical aspects for the financial industry is the security. We don't want the data to go outside the premises of the institution.
Yes.
So we want on-prem data. Your solutions provide on-prem services.
Yes, it does. Yes, so it's a Kubernetes native application. It's a Kubernetes operator which needs to be deployed, which can be deployed within the premises of the customer, whether it's in the cloud or on-prem.
Yeah.
So actually, it never leaves the premise of the customer.
We do have OpenShift. There's many places. We support OpenShift.
We support any type of Kubernetes deployment like OpenShift or Kubernetes standard, etc. So everything is.
That makes really good perspective. In your area, who are your competitors?
Well, at this point in time, the biggest competition that you see is kind of on the self-scripting. The company is building it themselves with kind of such like Kafka Connect, offloading it to storage, but there's a lot of trade-offs with the operational overhead, managing it yourself, of course, and so that's where we came from.
I'll be sharing their link onto the comment box. Kannika.com.
Kannika.io.
Kannika.io. It is a really good company, good niche area, nice product. Go there, explore it, and if you work in the financial industry and you work with your CTO, please talk to them. Discuss this. It is an interesting use case too. Thank you so much, Wout. It is a great pleasure meeting you today.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you so much.